In the previous video, we spoke about English phrases that you will actually use when talking to a doctor. Now, let's talk about staying healthy in the first place. This is where exercise comes in. In India, we have a unique mix of how people stay active. Some hit the gym in Mumbai or Bangalore. Others do yoga, which is actually an ancient Indian practice that's now famous worldwide. Some people do Zumba classes, and honestly, a lot of people just take walks in the park or go for a morning jog. This is how people describe their workout routine. I go to the gym 3 times a week. I usually spend 45 minutes there. I do cardio on the treadmill, lift some weights, and then stretch. Let me break down that sentence for you. 3 times a week equals to 3 days out of 7. Cardio, which is exercise that gets your heart pumping like running, cycling, and jumping. Treadmill, the machine where you run indoors, it's very popular in gyms. Lift weights, do strength training with dumbbells or barbells. Stretch, it's where you extend muscles to improve flexibility. Now, not everyone goes to a gym. Listen to this. I don't have a gym membership, but I run in Lal Bahadur Shastri Park every morning. The air is fresh and I feel recharged. Notice the language. I don't have a gym membership is how you express that you don't subscribe to a gym. And the air is fresh is a poetic but common way to describe clean outdoor air. Phrases you will hear constantly. I am trying to stay fit, which is maintaining good physical condition. I am out of shape. That means you are not in good physical condition. I do yoga. That means you practice yoga for flexibility and mindfulness. I take a walk every evening, which means casual strolling for exercise. I swim, which is exercise in water, popular in Indian cities. I ride my bike, which is cycling. I do strength training, which is lifting weights to build muscle. And here is the thing, people always talk about water. When I work out, I always bring a water bottle. I need to stay hydrated. Hydrated equals to having enough water in your body. Dehydration in India's heat is serious, so this phrase is crucial. But what about people who hate exercise or can't exercise because of work or health reasons? Here is the reality. I work long hours, so I don't have time for the gym, but I try to walk to the market instead of taking an auto, and I take the stairs instead of the lift at the office. This is really English. Notice how they're explaining a constraint and offering alternatives. That's how real people talk. The key phrase here, I make small lifestyle changes, meaning small adjustments in daily habits that add up to better health. Now let's talk about what might be the most important part for us. Food. I'll be honest, healthy eating is cultural conversation in India. Everyone has an opinion. Your mom wants you to eat dal and rice. Your gym trainer says cut carbs. Your doctor says balance everything. Here is how you navigate this in English. My favorite healthy food is mango. It's full of vitamins and it tastes amazing. Notice what's happening here? The person is stating a preference. My favorite is explaining why it's healthy. It's full of vitamins and adding a personal touch, and it tastes amazing. That's how engaging food conversations work. Facts plus feeling. Let me give you common food related phrases. Nutrition value. This is rich in protein, contains a lot of protein. Leafy greens are full of iron, contains iron. Spinach, kale and lettuce. Eggs are a good source of protein. They provide protein. This has too much sugar, more sugar than needed. It's high in fiber, that means contains a lot of fiber, good for digestion. Now let's look at describing food. This is crunchy, makes a crispy sound when you bite it. It's nutritious, which is good for health. It's bland, that means it has no taste or flavor. It's delicious, that means it tastes very good. It's a balanced meal, that means it has all the nutrients needed. Now here is a specific Indian angle. Let's say someone says, "What did you eat today?" A typical response is, "For breakfast I had dosa and sambar. For lunch I had chapati, dal and a vegetable curry. For dinner I'm planning to eat khichdi with cucumber raita." But if you want to sound more health conscious, you might say, "I'm trying to eat more home cooked meals because the spices and ingredients are cleaner." Clean eating equals to eating healthy whole foods without processed ingredients. It's a phrase you will hear a lot in modern. Let's talk about meals in English culture. Breakfast, first meal of the day, typically morning. Mid-morning snack, it's light snack between breakfast and lunch. Then lunch, which is the main meal, usually midday. Then you have the afternoon snack. It's tea time snack. It's very important in India. Dinner, evening meal. Here's what a health conscious person might say. "I start my day with a glass of warm lemon water and turmeric. It helps with inflammation. For breakfast, I have oatmeal or upma with lots of vegetables. Lunch is usually roti with dal and a salad. I snack on fruits or nuts in the afternoon. Dinner is light, usually a soup and vegetables." Notice the detail. They are not just saying "I eat healthy." They are explaining their routine, and the reasoning helps with inflammation. Light dinner to aid digestion. Now let's address the elephant in the room: junk food and treats. I love samosas and pakoras, but I try to eat them only on weekends. Most days, I stick to vegetables and lentils. Notice the honesty. Real people don't say "I never eat junk food." They say "I eat it occasionally" or on special occasions. The phrase is in moderation, not too much, balanced amounts. It's okay to eat sweets, but in moderation. This is crucial for teaching English. You are learning how real people negotiate between pleasure and health, which is a very human conversation. Here is something a lot of English learning materials miss: mental health. In India, we are increasingly talking about stress, anxiety, and emotional well-being. Listen to this. "I have been really stressed lately with work deadlines and family expectations. I am not sleeping well and I feel anxious all the time. I think I should talk to someone." Let me decode this. Stressed, feeling pressured or overwhelmed. Anxious, it means feeling worried or nervous. I am not sleeping well, having trouble with sleep quality. I should talk to someone. That means seeing a therapist or counselor. The phrase "talk to someone" is how people often express seeking mental health support without being clinical about it. More phrases you will hear: "I am feeling overwhelmed." That means too much pressure. "I need a break." That means I need rest or time off. "This is stressing me out." That means this is making me stressed. "I am burning out. That means I'm exhausted from work. I need to relax. That means I need to calm down. I practice meditation. That means I do mindfulness exercises. Yoga helps me with stress. That means yoga reduces my stress. Here is the modern Indian health conversation. My doctor recommended that I meditate for 10 minutes every morning. At first, I thought it was unnecessary, but now I feel more calm and focused. I also started journaling. Writing my thoughts helps me process things. Now, new phrases. Journaling, that means writing down thoughts and feelings regularly. Process, that means work through mentally. Calm and focused, that means peaceful and concentrated. Let me give you a phrase cheat sheet for real situations you will encounter. At a doctor's appointment, I have an appointment with Dr. Kapoor at 3 pm. This has been bothering me for a week. Should I take any medication? What should I do to prevent this in the future? Do I need to follow up? That means, should I come back later? With friends about health, when you're discussing about your health with your friend, how are you feeling? I am feeling much better. Thanks for asking. I have been under the weather. That means I have been sick. I am coming down with something. That means I think I am getting sick. I am fighting off a cold. That means I'm trying to get better from a cold. Now, this is about when you're talking about fitness. I am trying to build a consistent workout routine. What's your fitness goal? I am aiming to lose weight, or I am aiming to get stronger. How often do you exercise? I am sore from my workout last night. That means the muscles hurt after exercise. Now let's talk about food. Is this dish healthy? What are the ingredients? Does this have any sugar? I am vegetarian, or I am vegan, or I am non-vegetarian. This is too spicy for me. So, here is what we have covered today. We didn't throw grammar rules at you. Instead, we listened to real conversations about health, the doctor's visit, exercise routines, food choices, mental well-being. We paid attention to how native speakers actually talk about these things. The magic isn't in memorizing definitions, it's in understanding context. When someone says, I'm stressed out, they are overwhelmed. When they say, I am sore, you understand their muscles hurt after working out. When they say, I am under the weather, they are sick. This is English for life, not English for exam. Keep conversing, and I will see you next time. I am Shaz. Stay healthy, stay curious, and most importantly, stay consistently with your English learning. See you soon.